From replacing siding to improving accessibility, NeighborLink Indianapolis is a group dedicated to helping people safely age in their home. And they say more people than ever need their services.
Yeah, tonight I'm showing you how the work they do is not only impacting homeowners, it's also providing training for those breaking into the construction industry. Learning construction skills while giving back to the community. These men and women are taking part in Indiana Construction Roundtable's BY Boot Camp training.
It's one of the best experiences of my life so far.
Greg Martin is hoping to start his own business using the skills he's learning. The BY program partners with NeighborLink Indianapolis. The organization makes free repairs on homes that have citations from the health department.
I'm from Indianapolis and my parents inherited homes, and they were in disrepair. And some of them started getting violations. I wanted to contribute and look at what are some of the things that I can do to help.
The BY Boot Camp is a new model. Participants meet Monday through Friday for 3 or 4 weeks, while the traditional BY program is 9 weeks long, twice a week. Participants in both programs earn industry-recognized certification.
These guys really care, and they're really trying to help people and just improve Marion County, really try to help facelift Indy.
NeighborLink's project coordinator says the partnership with the BY program fills a big need, allowing them to tackle large projects.
The need for our clientele is growing and growing and growing, so we need the manpower, but also being able to teach people a trade. And while we're doing that, we get to help homeowners who are in need. So it's very critical that they're here.
But NeighborLink needs volunteers year-round for projects that aren't as complex, like yard work or painting. This Saturday, NeighborLink needs more than 100 volunteers for the 2023 Fall Repair Fest. The focus is on the northeast side, where they hope to help as many homeowners as possible in one day.
So a lot of times when they get citations or they just can't manage their house, they have no option besides either to leave or they're forced to leave. Like our homeowner here, she's lived in the house for over 50 years, so she's a staple in this community.
For Daniel Jennings,
I have a history with family members that have had trouble housing.
His goal is to land a job in the construction industry and ultimately build generational wealth for his family. But he says this experience is already offering so much more.
To be able to come out in the community and help someone maintain their home that they've had for possibly generations and fix it up, make it look real pretty for them, and get the job done and put a smile on their face, it means a lot.
Indiana Construction Roundtable reports the construction workforce in Indiana will need to grow to 275,000 workers by 2026. That's a need of about 164,000 more construction workers. Wow.
And this looks interesting to you. The final BY Boot Camp of the year starts next Monday. I will put all the details for registering for that program and, of course, NeighborLink's Fall Repair Fest in this story on WRTV.com. This Saturday, Kevin, they're hoping for some good weather for that event.
Saturday much better than Sunday. I think Sunday is going to be a very wet day.